Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So here is an update on Mazda CX-5. So after the mechanic messed with the engine, we had to work with a SRIM engine. So what we have here, this is a SRIM engine, and you can see these are diesel engines. So what I'm touching there, those are the heater plugs. So you can see them. So this other line is what we call the exhaust. You can see the black coal. That's where the current sensor is. That's a very sensitive part. That's a waterway. This current sensor helps in uh, cooling the engine, sending a signal to the ECU so that the fan can run. Okay, so you will also need to replace this fuel filter after servicing and check a few things. So what I'm touching there, that's what we call the oil pressure sensor. Okay, you can see these are SH4. Remember, when you're buying a SRAM engine, always get the document. The document are very necessary. Okay, we have this flywheel here, and we are now putting back things back. So we are going to start first. We see if it's running or not. You can see now running. Okay, yeah, thank you. Now after everything is fixed, we can see the progress, or the cooling fan is okay, and the engine is running just like a baby. So here another thing we need to be very careful checking. So we are going to use this scan tool and access the data stream on the oil pressure. Okay, so we are going to the drive data. So drive data there, check on the oil pressure. Remember, the other one had stalled due to bad oil. Okay, and we had to be very keen so that we go for the correct oil recommendation by the manufacturer, and see, you can see the oil pressure for this guy is very okay. Remember, below 100 the oil pressure, it's very risky. You don't even buy, or even after replacement, just go for another one. Thank you.